Suggested experiments. Suggest a chemical test to distinguish between ethanol and ethanoic acid and explain the procedure. Aim: to distinguish ethanol and ethanoic acid by sodium bicarbonate test. Materials required: ethanol, ethanoic acid, sodium bicarbonate solution, 2 test tubes. Procedure: take 2 test tubes marked as A and B such that A contains ethanoic acid and B contains ethanol. Add 18 ml of sodium bicarbonate solution NaHCO3 to both the test tubes. In test tube A, we can observe brisk effervescence due to CO2, whereas in test tube B, no change is observed. Thus, when sodium bicarbonate reacts with ethanoic acid, the hydrogen ion dissociates from the carboxylic acid. It will form water and carbon dioxide. The reaction in test tube A can be represented as ethanoic acid plus sodium bicarbonate gives rise to sodium acetate plus water plus carbon dioxide. Whereas an alcohol doesn't have the property of dissociating hydrogen ion and so cannot react to form carbon dioxide and water. Result: it can be concluded that ethanoic acid reacts with sodium bicarbonate and liberates CO2 gas, whereas ethanol doesn't react with sodium bicarbonate. In this way, ethanol and ethanoic acid can be distinguished.